How to scan or import an image from a scanner using Adobe Photoshop. Connect the scanner to your computer and ensure that the required scanner drivers are installed. Place the image or photograph face down on the scanner glass, then close the scanner lid. 3. Open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Click File, navigate to Import, and select WIA Support. In the WIA Support dialog box, click Start. If prompted, select your scanner from the list of available devices and click OK. In the Scan dialog box, configure the scan settings. For documents, use a resolution of 300 dpi. For photographs and artwork, use 600 dpi. Since we are scanning a photograph, set the resolution to 600 dpi. Then click OK. Click Preview to generate a low-resolution preview of the image. This allows you to check the scan quality and adjust the crop area, orientation, brightness, and contrast before performing the final scan. 8. After confirming that the preview looks correct, click Scan to begin the final high-resolution scan. Once the scan is complete, the image will automatically open as a new document in Photoshop. Select the Crop tool from the Tools panel, then drag over the image to define the crop area. Once you are satisfied with the selection, double-click inside the crop area or press Enter to remove the unwanted portions of the image. Zoom in on the paper roll to remove any blemishes. Use the Patch tool, Lasso tool, Healing brush tool, and finally the Paint bucket tool where necessary to clean up and refine the image. Save the finished image by clicking File, Save As. Choose JPEG as the file format. Specify the desktop as the destination folder, and click Save. In the JPEG Options dialog box, reduce the file size by dragging the quality slider to the left. As you lower the quality, the file size decreases while maintaining an acceptable level of image quality. Once you are satisfied with the settings, click OK. Finally, navigate to the desktop, locate the saved image, and double-click it to open and review the final result. TechTricksGh, teaching tricks and techniques in IT and design. Subscribe to give us a reason to do more.